everybody, I'm Alana.
And I'm Joshua.
And today we're going to be learning how to make garlic bread.
So as you can see, we have this beautiful bread right here.
That I made.
Yeah, she made it.
It's allergy friendly too.
Yeah, it's allergy friendly. I taste test. It's so yummy. Anyway, and then we're going to be making like a filling with it.
It's not a filling,
a topping, but we're going to be learning how to make it. So let's get to it.
I made the garlic topping by cutting up 3 to 4 garlic cloves. Then I melted some butter and added some garlic to the butter in the pan. Then after I put it in the pan, I let it sit for around 3 to 5 minutes.
I can see this looks like honey. It looks yummy.
It's not honey, it's the garlic sauce.
Anyway, so I'm going to be putting it on.
Just spread it on top. And see, that's easy.
Look how easy it is. You don't have to do it hard. Make sure when you're putting it in, make sure you have it all dripping out so it doesn't drop. So,
This recipe is so easy, it only takes around
1 hour.
10 to 15 minutes. Now just spread it on top. You can also turn it over and spread some more. That's a lot of it. Just put it on the next one.
But this one's mine.
And it's also really good to put just the garlic toppings on top.
Yeah.
Delicious. And good thing we have spaghetti.
If you see inside, you see those specks. That is the garlic. So that lets you know that this is.
Okay, so we're back and we have our delicious garlic bread. And Joshua's really ready to taste this. This is good. It's garlic and butter. And it's fluffy inside. Remember to like
And subscribe!
and remember to dance like a cupcake.